Hi, I'm Xena, an international board-certified lactation consultant. Today, I want to talk about something that can worry a lot of parents: sudden infant death syndrome, and how to create a safe sleep environment for your baby. If you have ever found yourself sneaking into your baby's room just to make sure they are still breathing, you are not alone. I have been there too, checking every few minutes and thinking, are you too quiet over there? Just to make sure you are okay. Let's go over what SIDS is and more importantly, what we can do to help keep our baby safe. What is SIDS? So let's start with the basics. SIDS stands for Sudden Infant Death Syndrome. It's when a healthy baby under 1 year old passes away suddenly during sleep. Even after investigation, doctors cannot find a clear reason. This is why it's sometimes called crib death. Some quick facts about SIDS. First, most SIDS cases happen between 1 to 4 months old. Second, over 90% happen before 6 months. Thankfully, the risk drops a lot after 8 months. In the US, about 3,500 babies die unexpectedly each year due to sleep-related causes. While these numbers are heartbreaking, the good news is that there are simple steps we can take to reduce the risk. Let's jump into 5 practical tips to help create a safer sleep space for your baby. First, always put your baby on their back to sleep. Babies who sleep on their backs have a much lower risk of SIDS compared to those who sleep on their stomachs or sides. Some parents worry about choking if their baby sleeps on their back, but don't worry. Babies have a natural gag reflex, and choking while sleep on their backs is extremely rare, even for babies with reflex GERD. Second, use a firm mattress. A firmer, the better. If your baby sinks into the mattress, it can be dangerous, especially if they roll over. Like couches or armchairs, those can be really risky. 3, keep the crib simple. No pillows, blankets, stuffed animals, or bumpers in the crib. I know it's tempting to make the crib look cozy, but these things can actually be dangerous. Keep it simple, just the mattress and a fitted sheet. Okay, 4th, no bed sharing. Try room sharing instead. I get it. Bed sharing can feel easier, especially when you are exhausted and feeding at night. But bed sharing can increase the risk of SIDS, especially if you are really tired or have been drinking alcohol or taking medication. Instead, try room sharing. This means keeping your baby's crib or bassinet in your room close to your bed. Studies show that room sharing can reduce your risk of SIDS by up to 50%. Plus, it's much safer and still makes nighttime feedings more convenient. Number 5, you may ask, what about the babies who can roll over? Some babies start rolling onto their stomachs around 4 months. If your baby rolls over during sleep, should you flip them back? If your baby can roll both ways, let's say back to stomach and stomach to back, and they are at least 4 to 6 months old, it might be okay to let them stay where they are comfortable. As I mentioned earlier, 72% of SIDS cases occur in babies under 4 months old. So after 4 months, you can relax a bit. Most babies start rolling over around that time. However, always consider your baby's developmental stage and make sure you always place your baby on their back to start and keep the crib free of any loose items. Let me share a little from my own experience. When I had my second baby, I was so worried about sleep safety because she was born early and 36 weeks. I remember being so tired during those late night feedings. And yes, I did accidentally doze off a few times while breastfeeding. But I always make sure the bed was clear of pillows, blankets, and toys before feeding. I fell asleep. My family knew to gently wake me or move the baby to her crib. I never intentionally bed shared, especially in those early months. And remember, if you are feeding on a couch, be extra careful. The babies can fall or get wrapped. Studies show that the risk of sleep-related deaths goes up 67 times if a baby sleeps on a couch or soft chair. So it's best to avoid that altogether. Okay, just a quick recap. These tips may seem small, but they can make a huge difference. First, always place your baby on their back to sleep. Second, use a firm mattress. Third, keep the crib free of loose items. Fourth, room share, but don't bed share. Fifth, make the sleep space is safe if your baby starts rolling over. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more advice on your baby care and parenting. You are a unique parent, raising a unique kiddo, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Visit my website and uniquegrowth.net for more resources. See you in the next video. Bye!